Hello folks, now this is not a sponsored video, but the guys at Shine Armour sent me a couple of products so that I could give them a bit of a review on my channel. I'm using these in today's video, which is the Shine Armour Powerful Concentrated Car Soap, and then this one, which is the Fortify Quick Coat, and it's a waterless wash, wax, shine and protect. Now, as you know, when I want my cars professionally detailed, I always go over to my buddy Jay, the detailing doctor in Lymington. Again, not a sponsored thing, but Jay does a great job. If you're not in the area, go and spend a day in Lymington. It's a lovely place. Leave your car with Jay, walk into Lymington, brilliant. But I'm really interested by these Shine Armour products. The soap here can be used in a cannon, a foam cannon. I've got a foam cannon, but it's a pretty rubbish one to be fair. So I never get a really good foam with anything, but we'll see how this fares in that. And it's also got some gloss enhancers to really help bring out the shine in the paint. And then this is really your detailing spray just to finish the job off. So waterless wash and wax. If, like me, you're breaking the first rule of car cleaning and you're cleaning the thing in direct sunlight, which you should never ever do, but I'm going to go and do it today. Something like this, once you've got all the major dirt off, is great just to go over the car, get it shining up really nice, get rid of any final little watermarks or anything like that. And this actually uses some ceramic technologies to really help protect that paint a little bit rather than just make it shine. It's not a full ceramic coat, it's not going to do the same job. But if you try and put one of those on yourself at home, you could get into serious trouble and really kind of damage your paint. You're not going to get into any trouble with this whatsoever. Now, I'm not a car detailer. Probably a couple of times a year I wash the cars myself by hand. I usually spend half an hour to 45 minutes on the exterior of the car. They have also sent me an interior cleaning product, which I'm going to feature in an upcoming video. So let's get over to the action. So here I am using the foam cannon. As you can see, it's really not a very good foam cannon. This is pretty much as good as it gets with my foaming with that device. I watched a video recently that suggested you should just go straight in with the foam and don't rinse the car beforehand. So that's what I did on this occasion. So there's no pre-rinse. I've just gone straight on with the foam. And then once the foam was on, if you can call it foam, I left it for about 10 minutes before going for the contact wash. Sorry about the lights popping up here, but I was having a cracking time, shall we say, bending over. I think I need to get myself a new belt. So just going over it with a bucket and sponge. I've got the car soap in the bucket there. And then each time before the sponge goes back in the bucket, I rinse it off with the pressure washer. And then a quick dry with a microfiber drying towel just before we move to the final stage. So now, just to finish things off, I'm going over with the Shine Armour Fortify Quick Coat. This stuff's an absolute breeze to use. So there we have the finished article. This is the side that was in the broad sun for the whole time I was cleaning it, and I think we've done a good job here in a fairly short amount of time. I could have spent significantly more time on this clean and got a better result. So on the exterior of this, I've probably spent 45 minutes and I'm really pleased with it. My car soap did a great job of shifting that initial dirt, and it was filthy. And then going over it with the detailing spray, which is an absolute piece of cake to use. It really has finished it off nicely. The actual spray gun is brilliant. It works so well, it's so easy to use, and it just seems to give you the right amount of product at a time, so you're not wasting gallons of it over your car. Okay, so if you want to check out these Shine Armour products for yourself, then there's a link in the video description. The Shine Armour link is actually for anyone watching in the US. If you're UK based, I'll put some links in there to Amazon where you can pick up the products. The soap certainly did the job. It didn't foam as you would hope, but nothing does in my foam cannon. I really need to upgrade that. I've seen other videos where this foams really well. It's really good with the bucket though. It certainly shifted a heck of a lot more than my normal car shampoo, which is just a car plan one, just a basic that you pick up in the supermarket or whatever. And this detailing spray was really good actually. The little trigger bottle here works brilliantly. It sprays out just the right amount. It sprays it really fine mist, so it's really easy to wipe away. And it was just great to use, just really simple, wipes away really easily. And I'm really pleased with the finished result, considering you know, I've done that in 45 minutes maybe. I've gone over the whole car in possibly 45 minutes. So if you want some idea of how much of the product I use, this is a 267 milliliter bottle, and I've used that much, so I could probably get maybe another 3 cleans with that, so it's not bad. And with the car soap, I've used about half of it. So my first impressions of Shine Armour products, very, very good. Again, Shine Armour haven't paid me to make this video. They have given me some free products, and I have got an affiliate link, but anyone that watches my channel knows that I always give my honest opinion. If I thought this was, in the words of Alan Sugar, a load of old tut, I'd be telling you this is good stuff. I'm going to be having a few more car cleaning videos coming up on the channel soon. Again, not to detailer standard, but I'll just be testing out a few different products and a couple of bits of equipment to see if we can make life a bit easier for ourselves when we're doing this at home. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give the video a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, do that as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.